Today I'm going to show you my teeth whitening remedy that you can do at home using two simple ingredients. Over time, our teeth get stained and yellow, especially from the consumption of coffee, tea, red wine.
Emotional, damn it!
If you want whiter teeth, you really don't need to go to the dentist or spend loads of money on expensive products. This remedy is really cost effective. The first ingredient you would need is baking soda, which I was able to buy from my local supermarket for under $2. Baking soda will help us create a paste that would gently scrub our teeth whilst removing stains and plaque. The second ingredient we would need is hydrogen peroxide, which I was able to buy from Amazon from less than $10. When buying yours, make sure to get a lower concentration dose of 3%, as any of the higher concentrations can be really intense and cause sensitivity issues to your teeth and gums. By the way, hydrogen peroxide is the key ingredient in those teeth whitening strips, except they charge you a lot more for the same thing. Likewise, teeth whitening procedures at the dentists are done using high concentrations of hydrogen peroxide, which do work. However, they dehydrate your teeth and really mess with your gums whilst costing you a fortune. Yes, those procedures do work a bit faster, but we can obtain the same effect at home for a fraction of the cost. To create our teeth whitening paste, all we need to do is add a few teaspoons of baking soda into a little container or a cup. We then add a teaspoon of hydrogen peroxide. If you have extremely sensitive teeth, I would recommend diluting the hydrogen peroxide with some water. This does not have to be an exact measurement as long as our paste forms. And now we mix everything together. Once our paste is ready, all we need to do is just brush our teeth with it as you would with any other paste. I recommend doing this once every other day. And if your teeth are very stained or you just want faster results, I would recommend just applying the paste directly onto your teeth and just letting it stay there for about 20 minutes to half an hour at a time. Because the longer your teeth are in contact with the hydrogen peroxide, the quicker the stains will get lifted. Like with anything in life, you need to remain consistent, and I'm sure you'll start to see results. There you go, friends. This was my homemade teeth whitening remedy. If you're going to try this method or have already done so, I'd love to hear your experiences in the comments below. I'm going to upload once a week, so if you want to stay tuned, please subscribe to my channel.